Please try this amazing crispy Brussels sprouts recipe prepared in air fryer. Blanch 500 grams Brussels sprouts for 5 minutes. Then blend it. Add 1 tbsp olive oil, 1/2 cup gram flour, 1 tsp coriander powder, 1 tsp garlic powder, 1/2 tsp Carom seeds, 1/4 tsp turmeric powder, 1 tsp red chili powder, 1 tbsp lemon juice. Salt to taste. Mix it gently. Apply olive oil in preheated air fryer. Place the mixture. Spread it evenly. Set for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 3 to 4 minutes, keep on stirring. Once ready, take this out. You can serve this amazing crispy recipe as a side dish. Isn't this amazing? Please comment. Thanks for watching.